To assist you in watching this video, you can turn on subtitles in your chosen language. To do this, click on the subtitles icon. Now click on Settings. Select Subtitles and click on Auto Translate. Now select your language option. When playing the video, subtitles will now appear in your chosen language. This is a video tutorial. Feel free to pause the video as you go through the process. This guide will show you how to create, link and access your EVisa with a passport using the ID Check app. Accessing your EVisa can be completed through 3 steps. In the first step, you will be asked to provide your personal details and login information. In the second step, you will be asked to confirm your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app. In the third and final step, you will be asked to provide additional information to complete the setting up of your account. If you are partway through setting up your account, you can skip to the part you need by going to the times showing on the screen. You should go to www.gov.uk/eVisa. You should now click on Set up a UKVI account to access your EVisa. You should now read the information on this page, as it will provide important information around your UKVI account. When ready, click on Access your EVisa. We will ask you to confirm when you were granted your most recent permission to come to or stay in the UK. When ready, click Continue. You should now confirm if you have a visa or immigration application number. Once selected, click Continue. You will now be taken to the Create a UK Visas and Immigration Account page. You should read the information on this page before proceeding. When ready, click on Create an Account. You should now confirm who you are creating the account for, and click Continue. You should now enter your name, as it appears on your identity document. When ready, click Continue. Now enter your nationality as shown on your identity document, and click Continue. We will now ask you to confirm the document type you are using to create your account. When ready, click Continue. You should now enter the details of your identity document. This will include your document number, country of issue, as well as any expiry dates. When ready, click Continue. Now enter your date of birth, and click Continue. We will now ask you to confirm the email address you would like to use when signing into your account. When ready, click Continue. We will now send you a 6-digit security code to your email address. This may take a few minutes to arrive. If you do not receive the email, please check the email address is correct and that the email has not gone into your junk or spam folder before requesting a new security code. Once you have received your security code, enter it and click Continue. We will now ask you to confirm the phone number you would like to use when signing into your account. When ready, click Continue. We will now send you a 6-digit security code to your phone number. This may take a few minutes to arrive. If you do not receive the security code, please make sure your phone number is correct before requesting a new code. Once you have received your security code, you should enter it and click Continue. We will now ask you to confirm if you would like someone else to have access to your account. Once confirmed, click Continue. We will now ask you to check your answers before you create your account. If needed, you can go back and change any answers by clicking on the change link on the answer you would like to change. When ready, click on Create Account. We will now confirm that your UK visa and immigration account has been created. We will also provide you with information on what you need to do next to complete linking your status to your account. To complete linking your immigration status to your account, you will now need to sign in. We will now ask you to confirm the type of document used to set up your account. Once selected, click Continue. You should now confirm your document number, and click Continue. Now enter your date of birth, and click Continue. You will now need to confirm how you would like to receive your security code. Once selected, click Continue. We will now send a 6-digit security code to your chosen option. This may take a few minutes to arrive. Once received, you should enter it, and click Continue. You will now be logged into your account, and you should click on Confirm your identity. Please read the information on this page before proceeding. When ready, click on Continue. We will now ask you to confirm if your identity document has a biometric chip. Once confirmed, click Continue. You should now check that you have the right smartphone. Once confirmed, click Continue. You should now continue by using the UK Immigration ID Check app. You can download this from the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, you should open the app. When ready, click on Continue. We will now ask you to confirm how you will be connecting to the app. You can do this with the QR code from the website, or you can use a connection code from within the app. For this example, we will use a connection code. On the website, you should enter the connection code as it appears in the app and click Connect. We will now confirm that you have connected to the app. Returning to the app, we will ask you to confirm how you would like to receive your 6-digit security code. Once selected, we will send the security code to your chosen option. This may take a few minutes to arrive. Once received, you should enter it and click on Continue. You will now be given information on taking an image of your document. To go through this, you should click on the arrow to the bottom right of the app. When ready, click on Continue. You should now take an image of your identity document. You should ensure that the full biographic information page is visible inside the grey border. Once the document is detected, the border will turn green and the image will be taken. You should now click on OK. We will now ask you to scan the biometric chip on your identity document. To do this, you should make sure the NFC option on your phone is turned on. You should now place your phone on top of your identity document. You may need to move the phone or identity document around for the chip to be detected. It may be helpful to remove any covers you have over your phone or identity document if you are having trouble locating the chip. Once the chip is detected, the scan will begin. We will now ask you to scan your face. When ready, click Continue. Follow any instructions that appear on the screen. We will now confirm if your scan has completed successfully. When ready, click OK. We will now ask you to take your photo and provide you with some guidance. When ready, click Continue. When ready, take your photo. We will now ask you to check your photo. When ready, click on Use this photo. We will now confirm the information that has been scanned from your document. When ready, click on Submit Information. We will now provide information on what happens next. Please read this before proceeding. You can now return to gov.uk or continue using the app to complete linking your EVisa to your account. To complete your account setup, you should sign in. You will now see that the Confirm Your Identity section has now been completed. You should now click through the sections to provide the information needed to link your EVisa to your account. We will now ask you to confirm if you know your visa or immigration application number. Once selected, click Continue. You should now enter your previous visa or immigration application number. When ready, click Continue. We will now ask you to check your answer. When ready, click Continue. Now click on Your Location. We will now ask you to confirm if you are in the UK. Once selected, click Continue. You should now check your answers. When ready, click Continue. Now click on Contact Preferences. We will now ask you to confirm the email address we can use to contact you. This does not need to be the same as your login email address. Once selected, click Continue. You should now confirm the phone number you would like us to use if we need to contact you. This does not need to be the same as your login phone number. Once selected, click Continue. You should now check your answers. When ready, click Continue. The identity and contact section will now be fully completed. You should now click on Account Security Questions. If you ever need to contact us about your account, we will use security questions to confirm you are the account holder. We will now ask you to set up 3 security questions and answers. You should select one question from each set and provide your answer. Please make a note of the answers you have given. When ready, click Continue. You should now check your answers. When ready, click Continue. The account security section has now been completed. You should now click on Declaration. You should read the declaration carefully before proceeding. When ready, select the option that applies to you, and then click on Continue. You should now click on Submit. Please read the information on this page before proceeding. When ready, click on Confirm and Submit. We will now confirm that your information has been submitted, and we will provide you with a reference number. We will also tell you what happens next, as well as information on using your EVisa. When ready, click on Finish and Leave Service. Once your EVisa is ready to view, we will send you an email to confirm. Once you have received your email, you will be able to log in to the View and Prove Your Immigration Status service. Here you will be able to view your digital EVisa as well as generate share codes to share your status.